Bitcoin's next move is already on the chart, but most traders are blind to it. Today, I'm going to break down the exact levels on the 1 week and the 1 day chart. Stay till the end because I'm going to give you the exact entries and exits. You don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Scott, and I've been a pro trader for 10 years. In these videos, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned so you don't have to learn the hard way. Remember to follow and share the channel, and also have your alerts on because I'm going to give you a lot of updates and you want to be the first to know. Diving right into the chart, it's your favorite crypto bro, and you can follow me on X at CryptoBroAlerts if you want to keep up with the exact real-time moves here. But Bitcoin on the weekly chart is in a giant inverse head and shoulders pattern, which actually can be a continuation pattern to the upside. Now, what we're watching here is this breakout zone on the weekly. That said, we need to dive into a very specific trading zone on the daily. So we're going to go down on our time frames. And I posted a recent video about this, super critical to understand. On the daily chart, you can see here, Bitcoin is in this bullish pennant pattern above the 9 EMA, this pink line, holding the 9 EMA, and it tagged this POC. What is the POC? The POC is the point of control, which is where all the volume is. So every trader in this range, the majority of them, have either gone long or short in this POC range. This area is critical to hold, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're looking for longs right against this level on the point of control. In a best case scenario, we're going to get this breakout with the green line, a break above the bull pennant, a back test of the bull pennant, and ultimately a move higher out of resistance 1 at 121, and an eventual move to this 128. There's an even higher time frame at 137. All right, don't miss out on that move. Now, 128, 129 is definitely going to stop the price for a moment if Bitcoin gets there, so be prepared for that. What if price breaks down from here on the daily? Well, that's okay. If price breaks down, it's probably going to come down here and grab either the lower trend line of this bullish pennant pattern, okay? That could bounce there. It would also wipe out all these traders that are long over here with their stop losses, okay? Or it can do a deeper dip and grab the 618. Now the 618 is the golden pocket in trading. What is the golden pocket? Well, the golden pocket. Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together. Is between the 0.65 and the 618 Fibonacci retrace level. And in this pattern, I'm going to show you exactly where I'm pulling it from this wick low down here, the impulsive low that bounced off the 9 EMA pink. And as you can see here, this golden pocket has great confluence. Confluence is just an added measure to your argument that Bitcoin should bounce in this area, okay? If it does come down here to like 115, that would be a very good long entry as well, all right? So we don't know yet. We have to think in probabilities as a trader and investor. Price can definitely break out from here. That's the green path. It can also come down and clip this lower trend line, uprising for a good long setup. It can even dip down here to the 115 level if it wants to. And in another case, we get the most deep retrace if it breaks this level and it flips this previous resistance at 112 into support. Now that would be a fantastic long if we get it. I don't think we're going to get it, but it would look something like this, okay? You would manage your risk, you trade it up to 137. So for example, if you're taking any of these long setups, your risk is this big, all right? It needs to be a small percentage. And then your reward needs to be this big, where when you're right, you just make so much money, it doesn't matter if you take a paper cut here and there. All right, so that's risk management. Now, all of these concepts are taught in the Financial Freedom Academy, so check out the link in my description. At least get on the free email list. Anyway, so taking a look at this daily pattern, what do I think is going to happen? Right now, the way price is holding this 9 EMA, I think we could get some consolidation around this 117 level, but I'm feeling like we're going to get a move up to test this 121 level next. Now that might happen over the weekend, for example, but we need to see a move up. Now that said, we need to break above R1 at 121.5. Anything that doesn't break above can fall back inside the range, okay? And it's like a chess match. If it falls back inside the range, this back test is totally up for grabs of the triangle, or it can actually come all the way back, believe it or not, and clip this lower side. That again is a good long setup. These are our outlooks on Bitcoin right now, okay? I'm also gonna do an update on Ethereum specifically and show you the exact ranges in the next video, so I can't wait to see you then. Hey, share this with one person, just one person that has ever talked to you about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the markets, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Hey, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, click the link in the description. You can join the Financial Freedom Academy email list. We're going to give you free market updates every Wednesday, trading tips, and insider information you don't want to miss. Check it out.